Hi everybody, welcome to Japanese Cooking Lovers. I'm Yuri. Today I will show you how to make peanut miso very easy way. It's probably take 10 to 15 minutes to cook this meal, and this is very popular in Japan. It's sweet and little salty miso is very good matching with rice. And this is popular because even school kids for the school lunch, they sometimes give them this menu. And this is almost like pickles. It's not pickles, but it's like a pickles that's you put a little bit on top of the rice and eat with rice, because rice has very simple taste and this is salty and sweet. It's very good combination with eating white rice. So I will show you how to make it today. First, let's put everything together and mix it. Three tablespoons. 1 tablespoon of mirin and sake. Then 3 tablespoons of miso. And you will mix this one. Next, heat the pan and put vegetable oil, 1 tablespoon. When oil is heated, ready to put peanut. And if you can buy peanut, try to buy unsalted, but if you only can find salted one, that's fine. And also, I'm showing this one here, the brown skin attached it. Either one's fine. If it's attached it, that's fine. Not having it, that's fine. And you roast here. I am trying to show you here that it's not successful, but peanut is getting brown. So now it's ready to put liquid part. And when I put this liquid, I turn off the heat immediately because they have lots of sugar in the liquid part, so it's really easy to get burned. So be careful, try not to burn this whole thing. Lastly, I put sesame seed, 1 tablespoon. I usually put like this container and store those stuff that I made. Like this. And it's gonna be a little bit hardened. This is still soft. And how I gonna serve this one, usually maybe I'm gonna use this plate and goes like this, and this is gonna be side dish for the rice. I hope you enjoyed my video today, and this is very simple and very easy. It's about probably 10 to 15 minutes and complete. And if you like to eat white rice, plain rice, this is very good matching with that white rice. So try it. Thanks for watching. I'm Yuri and this is Japanese Cooking Lovers. And if you like my video, please thumbs up and also subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.